I'm going to show you the process I'm going to use for the fourth grade virtual Meet the Teacher on the 28th. The first thing I'm going to do is open up Teams. Then I'm going to go to my calendar. And then instead of just creating a new meeting, I'm going to do a live event. And then I'm going to title my live event the fourth grade Meet the Teacher. Okay, and I'm not going to worry about a location because it's virtual. I'm going to choose the 28th. I'm going to choose 11 to 11:30 because that's the time window for fourth grade. And then I'm not going to type in this information, but I'd provide just basic information about the event. And then I can add my co-teachers if I need to, or add admin if they want to be presenters, and then hit next. From here, we're going to make sure to toggle to public so that anyone with a link, any parent, can join the meeting. So they don't necessarily have to have a Microsoft account to join or a Volusia County account. They can join just as the public. And then I'm going to leave all these on except for recording is available to the attendees because I don't want the parents to be able to record. And then just hit schedule. From here, you can join, but it's not August 28th at 11, so I'm not going to bother. If I did try to join, it would just bring me up to a screen that says the session hasn't started yet or hasn't reached a session start date. So even if you do share it early with the parents, they're not going to be able to join a meeting until the meeting time. So to share it, I'm going to hit this Get Attendee link, and it automatically copies to my clipboard. And then I'm simply going to close. I want to double check to make sure that it's there. So if I look at Friday the 28th, I have my virtual meeting that Ms. Clower set up, and then I have my own live meeting from 11 to 11:30, and I'm done on the team side. To share with parents, I'm going to go to Focus. So I'm in my Focus account. I'm going to click on Students, and then I'm going to go to Print Letters and Send Email. I'm going to create a new letter. So you would title this whatever you need to title it. I'm just going to title it Fourth. I'm going to choose Coronado Beach Elementary from this default letterhead. And then I'm going to hit Save. Now it gives me the option now to print or email. So if I follow this link, it brings up this. So from here is where I'm going to start creating my letter that I want to send to the parents. So you'll type in whatever you want to type in, explaining what the meeting is. You can insert the team links so that the parents get it in their email so they can just follow it. I'm not going to fill out the letter. And then you want to do more search options because I want to choose, make sure that I'm only sending this to my fourth graders. So underneath my more search options, I'm going to just click Fourth, and then I'm going to hit Search. All right, I'm not going to print the letters. I'm going to send them through email. So I'm going to toggle to Send Emails. From here, I can CC Ms. Buckner or Ms. Clower if I needed to. I'm also going to send a copy to myself. I'm not going to attach any files. I don't want the recipients to be the students alpha@vcs2go email. I want it to go to their parents' email accounts that are on file. This is for print only, so there's no reason to keep it clicked. The only thing that I haven't seen yet, because my teacher account doesn't have my rosters loaded, that's supposed to happen on August 24th. Assuming that there would be, it's saying grade 4, no students are found, I'm assuming there would be a list of all the fourth graders here, and then I would have to select them to send the email out to them. So once our rosters are populated into Focus, which again should be August 24th, I'm assuming all of the fourth graders will populate down here, and then I'll select the ones that I want to send the email to, which would be all of them. Then I can preview my letter, or once I'm ready, I can hit Send. And that should be it. And then every parent should get sent to their email files or email accounts on file, the letter and the link to my team's meeting.